This is the year for 3D, and for Sony that's very much the case. It's the year that Sony is going to bring 3D to the market and to consumers in all kinds of different ways.
Sky, Telegenic and Sony have worked really hard on the build of the truck from the ground upwards. Now T18, or the Telegenic 3D truck, has rolled out. We have a brand new purpose-built truck for 3D, and tomorrow we'll be shooting the second live game for transmission on Sky.
I'm very interested to see what the reaction is. Obviously it's going to be in a lot of pubs, I think, tomorrow, and it's a very interesting concept, and I think everybody's going to enjoy it wherever they're watching it, in whatever pub they're watching it in.
The challenges we have at football stadiums is getting all of the equipment we need for 3D into the stadium, along with the HD coverage that we are already doing. We use normal HD cameras, we're using Sony 1500s, but the way they're mounted, the rigs, is the difference in 3D. What we're doing is we're putting two cameras into one rig, so we're having a left eye and a right eye.
So you have two types of rig. For the long to medium term shots, we can use two cameras side by side. For all the close-up work, you need what we call a mirror rig, and that's where one camera looks up and the other camera is from behind. One of the challenges in any 3D truck is where do you put the stereographers? And the stereographers are the new role for 3D, and these are the guys that maintain the 3D parameters.
We've got a position for a stereographer, and also we need a convergence operator. They can choose where the 3D happens, how much 3D is in the picture, and so we've got new positions for them.
We turn up the day before the match and we set up the rigs. We're finding that 3D cameras, the angles that are lower down, give us some spectacular 3D. The higher angles don't give us quite so much depth, so we prefer to come lower. This means we've got to find new camera positions, new camera platforms.
The mirror rigs will be on low corner positions, because then we can get players coming close to us, coming out the screen at us. And the side-by-sides will be a camera 1, a camera 2 position, which can be much further away, say in the stand, something like that. With a combination of the rig, the truck and Sky and Sony's input, we're getting really good 3D that no one else can really do.
I think we're pioneers now, we're pioneers in 3D, and we're developing the technology, and who knows what's going to happen in the future.
I am proud. It's a great project to be working on, and one that I think we'll all remember as being very groundbreaking and pivotal in the history of TV.